Unity in diversity is the highest possible attainment of a civilization, a testimony to the most noble possibilities of the human race. African unity and solidarity are no longer dreams. They must be expressed in decisions. It is the heart that carries a man farthest from his homeland. The man who has bread to eat does not appreciate the severity of a famine. If you want to go quickly, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. The fool speaks, the wise man listens. He who learns, teaches. The best way to eat an elephant in your path is to cut him up into little pieces. Do not look where you fell, but where you slipped. A wise person will always find a way. When spider webs unite, they can tie up a lion. Knowledge without wisdom is like water in the sand. A tree does not move unless there is wind. You cannot build a house for last year's summer. A roaring lion kills no game. Smooth seas do not make skillful sailors. No matter how beautiful and well-crafted a coffin might look, it will not make anyone wish for death. The patient dog eats the fattest bone. One who causes others misfortune also teaches them wisdom. It is the grass that suffers when elephants fight. Even the best cooking pot will not produce food. Rain does not fall on one roof alone. He who loves the vase loves also what is inside. African time is not the same as American time. Hurry hurry has no blessing. A friend is someone you share the path with. The one who loves an unsightly person is the one who makes him beautiful. Do not call to a dog with a whip in your hand. If there is character, ugliness becomes beauty. If there is none, beauty becomes ugliness. He who thinks he is leading and has no one following him is only taking a walk. The mouth is responsible for 80 teeth. A fool is a wise man's ladder. If you are filled with pride, then you will have no room for wisdom. By the time the fool has learned the game, the players have dispersed. He who is unable to dance says that the yard is stony. The child you sired hasn't sired you. You cannot hide the smell of a dead elephant. The world is a pot, and men are the soup in it. Love is like a baby, it needs to be treated tenderly. A person is a person because of other people. A wise man never knows all, only fools know everything. However long the night, the dawn will break. The old woman looks after the child to grow its teeth, and the young one in turn looks after the old woman when she loses her teeth. A good harvest is as a result of great labor. You cannot build a reputation on what you are going to do. When you follow in the path of your father, you learn to walk like him. It takes a village to raise a child. If you climb up a tree, you must climb down the same tree. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. When the leg does not walk, the stomach does not eat. He who does not cultivate his field will die of hunger.